Russia's Tactical Missile Corporation is developing new seaborne weapons, including a next-generation high-speed anti-ship missile with an extended strike range, Tactical Missile Corporation CEO Boris Obnasov told TASS on the occasion of the company's 20th anniversary on Monday. Substantial attention is paid to developing new anti-submarine missiles. The latest APR-3ME version is already at the stage of its serial production. Moreover, the first batch of these missiles has already been delivered. It will be eventually replaced by a small-size air-launched anti-submarine torpedo that will feature an increased operational range, the chief executive said. Work also continues to create new anti-ship weapons, he said. In particular, we are developing a next-generation high-speed anti-ship missile with an increased range and flight speed, and also with the enhanced jam-resistant capability. Work is underway to upgrade the unique Packet NKE anti-torpedo anti-submarine system. We are considering an option of mounting it on small displacement warships, he said. Russia's Tactical Missiles Corporation was set up in March 2003 by Russian President Vladimir Putin's decree of January 24, 2002. The corporation became the Russian defense industry's first integrated structure that concentrated scientific and production resources for developing advanced missiles and tactical missile systems. Last year, the Russian industry has launched mass production of the latest aviation anti-submarine missile APR-3ME Grif. This is the latest development from the whole family, built using the most modern solutions and components, which gives it advantages over previous samples. In 2019, its serial production started. The missile entered the Ka-27M helicopter ammunition load. The APR-3ME product is an aviation ammunition for fighting submarines of all classes and types. The missile is capable of finding and hitting targets on the surface and underwater, as well as at periscope depth. The product is compatible with all major domestic anti-submarine aircraft and helicopters. It is likely to be integrated into the armament complex of foreign equipment. At its core, the Grif is a torpedo and has a corresponding appearance. It is made in a cylindrical body with a hemispherical head fairing and a tapered tail section. The latter has planes with rudders. In the tail section, a braking module with a parachute system is also mounted, equipped with an annular stabilizer. It was reported that this modification is significantly different from the base sample and shows different tactical and technical characteristics. The first demonstration of the rocket at the exhibition gave an actual start to the process of finding customers. Later, in 2019, the development organization indicated that the launch of serial production of the APR-3M allows it to start promoting the export rocket on the market. The details of this process were not disclosed over the next years. During the IMDS 2021 Salon, the KTRV management spoke about the start of the serial production of the Griffins. By this time, the State Research and Production Enterprise region had managed to manufacture and deliver the first batch of missiles to the customer. At the same time, They did not name the customer, the number and cost of the missiles. It should be noted that there are contradictions in recent reports. So, the letter E in the product index indicates its export destination. However, some domestic media write that the new Grif is entering service with the Russian naval aviation. The export missile is similar in size and weight to the original APR-3M. Moreover, both products are smaller and lighter than the base Orla-M. The length of modern APR-3M missiles is 325 meters, the diameter is 350 millimeters. Weight, no more than 475 kilograms. High running and combat characteristics are achieved through the use of a turbine water jet engine powered by a hydroreactive solid fuel. During movement, seawater enters the engine and initiates fuel combustion, resulting in a jet stream. This allows a speed of up to 36 meters second, approx. 130 kilometers hour. The missile is capable of hitting a target moving at a speed of up to 80 kilometers hour, approx. 43 knots, depth reach 800 meters. The missile is equipped with a control system that includes an autopilot, inertial navigation devices and a highly efficient acoustic guidance system. The latter is capable of detecting and tracking low-noise targets, INCL, in the presence of interference. The capture range is 225 kilometers. The guidance system is said to maintain its performance even while the engine is running. The target is hit by a high explosive warhead. The detonation is carried out by a contact, acoustic proximity or temporary fuse. The warhead has a limited mass, but the submarine is struck into a solid hull, after which it loses the ability to continue combat work. The principle of operation of the APR-3ME product is quite simple. Having determined the area where the target is located, the aircraft or helicopter drops the missile at an acceptable altitude and speed. With the help of a parachute system, she safely lowers and enters the water with a slight trim on the bow. In the water, the rocket moves in a downward spiral and uses a guidance system. When a target is detected, the engine is turned on and an attack is performed. If the target is not found before diving to a depth of 200 meters, the rocket turns on the engine and continues the search. Having found a target, she performs the necessary maneuvers and carries out an attack. In a situation where the fuel is depleted and the target has not been found, the rocket uses a self-liquidator.